Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Blind Gadgets is probably one of the most impactful inventions in assistive technology, empowering visually impaired individuals with greater independence and enhancing their daily lives. From smart canes that detect obstacles to screen readers that vocalize text, these tools are transforming how people interact with the world, fostering a sense of confidence and freedom previously unimaginable. This video will explore some of the most innovative and helpful gadgets currently available. Number 5. Baitaihem Folding Cane. This cane is designed for safety and convenience. It's lightweight and easy to carry, making it perfect for everyday use. Made from high-quality aluminum, it's incredibly strong yet weighs only 0.53 pounds. This ensures it's easy to handle and won't weigh you down. It folds easily into 4 sections, making it compact enough to fit in your bag or purse. This makes it ideal for travel and storage. The shaft is covered with bright red and white reflector tape, ensuring you're visible at night. This adds an extra layer of safety during low-light conditions. It comes with a comfortable wrist strap and a reinforced nylon tip, keeping it secure and preventing accidental drops. This provides peace of mind and added stability. Please ensure the 49.2-inch length is suitable for you before ordering. Contact us if you have any questions about sizing. What we like? It's lightweight and folds easily, perfect for carrying around. The reflective tape ensures safety at night. If you need a portable and safe cane for daily use, this is the one for you. What people say. Very lightweight and folds very easily and quickly to be inobtrusive. Works great, easy to open up. Small, easy to use and display when telling the story of White Cane Safety Day. Number 4. Large Talking Alarm Clock. It's designed for visually impaired and elderly people. A simple tap gives you the time, another tap provides the day and date. One button operation makes it incredibly user-friendly. Hear the time, day, and date clearly announced. Setting up the time, date, and alarm is a breeze with audio guidance. The setup button is conveniently located on the bottom to prevent accidental changes. It announces the time and date in a loud, clear voice, perfect for those with hearing aids or slight hearing loss. It's designed for optimal audibility. This clock is completely cordless, running on 2 AAA batteries. Enjoy its portability and freedom from power cords. It's compact and easy to see, with high contrast colors. The size is perfect for bedside tables. What we like? This clock boasts a loud, clear voice and is incredibly simple to operate. It's cordless for convenience. If clear audio and ease of use are your priorities, this is the perfect talking clock for you. What people say. It's smaller than I expected, with is a plus. Fits nicely on a bedside table and doesn't take up much space. Programming time and date is not complicated. The voice on low is loud enough to hear and the speech is very clear. It can be turned up to loud, about the volume of a normal speaking voice. It takes about 3 minutes to set it up. Insert 2 AAA batteries, set the time, day and date buttons underneath, and the talking clock is good to go. Push the large button once and a clear, audible voice tells the time, AM or PM included. Push the button again to hear the day of the week and the date. The large push button is easy to find by touch without being mistaken for anything other than what it is, the talking clock. The large white button is very easy for him to see and push to get the time of day and the date. I'm not sure he will ever use the alarm, but in my testing the clock it was very easy to set and unset. Good product. Number 3. Folding Blind Cane. This cane is designed for the visually impaired, providing both safety and convenience. Its lightweight and durable design makes it easy to use and carry. It's made of durable, lightweight aluminum alloy. This ensures it's strong yet easy to handle. The comfortable, non-slip handle and reinforced nylon tip prevent it from slipping, giving you added security and confidence. With red reflective tape, it significantly improves visibility at night, keeping you safer in low-light conditions. It folds and unfolds easily, and comes with a strap for convenient carrying and storage. It's perfect for everyday use. At 48 inches long and weighing only 0.5 pounds, it's the perfect size for comfortable and easy mobility. What we like? Made from durable aluminum alloy, it offers a secure grip and enhanced visibility at night. It's designed for stability and safety. If you value durability and safety features in a cane, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Larger 13mm cane is stronger than the average skinny stick but is better for pushing a downward force if one is blind and having a bad back also. Great walking stick, easy to pull apart for storage, and it snaps itself together quickly all on its own. Many walking sticks don't come with a band that holds the folded stick. This one came with the band that prevents the stick from opening in the bag. Number 2. Talking clock for visually impaired. It remembers the time even after a battery change. No more resetting. Set it once, and it's ready for life. One press tells you the time, another reveals the date and day. Simple and convenient for everyone. Easily adjust the volume to your preferred level with the plus and minus buttons. Find your perfect sound. Perfect for those with low vision, dementia, or hearing difficulties. It's loud and easy to use. Use it anywhere, bedside, kitchen, or bathroom. Its compact size makes it perfect for any room. It runs on 3 AAA batteries, included. Its large, high-contrast display and buttons ensure easy readability. What we like? Never reset the time again, even after changing batteries. It offers adjustable volume and simple operation. If you want a reliable and user-friendly talking clock, this is the one for you. What people say. Arrived earlier than expected, easy to assemble and works perfectly fine. My elderly father uses this all day. It is large and loud enough and very helpful for visually impaired and physically challenged people. It was so easy to set up time, date, month and year. It is very clear to understand. Number 1. Bump Dots Combo Pack. These versatile dots are designed to help those with low vision easily identify everyday items. They're also great for adding cushioning and preventing damage. This combo pack includes small bumpers in circles, squares, spheres, and more, ensuring you have the perfect dot for any need. There's a shape and size for every application. They make it easy to identify items like remote controls, keyboards, and appliances. Simply stick them on to improve accessibility. Bump dots are ideal for homes and offices, assisting people with various visual impairments. They're also useful for sighted individuals. These bumpers also provide cushioning for cabinets, doors, and other surfaces, preventing damage from accidental impacts. They're a practical solution for many uses. These durable, high-quality dots are made in the USA from molded polyurethane. They're built to last and provide reliable tactile feedback. What we like? This pack provides a variety of shapes and sizes for diverse applications. They're durable and easy to apply. If you need tactile markers for various items and surfaces, this combo pack is perfect. What people say. This bump dots allow me to easily find the controls. These dots make a huge difference in my functionality, comfort level, and security. I don't have to fight to see where I need to punch for power on electronics. I can tell where my fingers are on items and feel safer. The various dots gave us the option to teach which dot did what. Extremely helpful for those with vision impairment. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.